Don't worry, we will be waiting for every parent. Don't be in rush. We have faculty members here who may assist you, or you may raise your hands so that I could call your parents. It's okay. What's the name? Anong name? Balikasan? Marikasa, Ma'am, your daughter is here. Jetane. It's okay. We will wait for each of your parents because your parents are the most important people. We're actually a crowd. One parent standing, two parents standing. I know some of you were raised single-handedly. I know, kung pagustuhan ng daan ang miyembro kang pamilya, many would still be standing at your back. Because aside from your parents, there were people who supported you. Your tita, your tito, your manang, your manong. Some of them are gone forever. And I want you to remember them as well, because it is because of their love that you are standing proudly here for the holding ceremony. One time I have this conversation with a mother. And ang sabi niya, "Sir, alam mo ba kung anong mahirap na nagpapaaral ka sa isang estudyante? Yung hihingi siya at sabihin, Nay, may aramutan kami, nagkaba-kaba ng daghan mo, because manaan mo, mawara kang tulugro. Magkong kaisa, iagi mo na lang sa kara, o sa tutuod lang, damo baka daghan mo, ay gusto mo magtugro, pero wala ikaw tulugro. I know that to some instance, your parents have experienced that. I did not know whether you have seen the sacrifices of your parents or the silent tears that we have shed just to give the best for you. But you know, despite the limitations in their own ways, they tried to give the best. I want you to honor them. Face your parents. The song asks, paano kita mapapasalamatan? As I said earlier, hindi natin mabayaran. Your face here, graduating students. It's okay to cry at this point. It's okay to cry at this point. Can you face here? Diyan kita na itubang. Today, napahidi niyo inyong ginikanan. You made your parents cry. And it's not the first time you made them cry. But today is a different kind of cry. They cry because they are happy. They cry because they are proud. And please, when you make them cry in the future, make sure it is because of the same reason. That they are happy and proud of you. Now this time, my final admonition, usapang girlfriend, usapang asawa. Mag-aasawa kayo. You know, minsan sa mga seaman, ang problema, pamilya versus asawa. You control your wife. You can have many wives. No, joke. You must only have one wife. But my point is, you have only one mother. You have only one father. And honor them to the rest of your life. The administration of UA is very proud of you. God bless you. Hold your parents' hand and take your exit.